Hey, beautiful people. Crystal here from Elite Hair Care, Elite Total Body Care, and Private Label Hair Care Company. So today is a styling video where my client here came in to get a wash and style. So the products that we use leading up to this portion of the service was our hair repair and growth shampoo and conditioner. My client here actually recently got a haircut to help regrow her hair or grow her hair out a lot fuller. She had some breakage going on, so we've been treating her hair really, really well. And then we molded her using our Elite Silk Wrap Foam. So now what I'm doing is applying a little bit of our Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum. What people don't know about the Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum is that, yes, it is a heat protectant and it also is a shine booster. But at the same time, it has also some growth properties as well and some strength properties to add. So the growth properties and the strength properties actually come from the CBD that we have in our product. Mind you, the CBD in our product has no THC in it, so it has no psychotropic abilities, but it has amazing benefits for the actual hair. On top of that, as I said before, this is a heat protectant and it also helps to boost the shine in the hair. Now I'm using the H2 Pro 3/10 of an inch titanium micro iron. That iron is the link for that iron is available in the link in my description box for my Amazon store. For those of you that are looking for a really small iron to use, this is actually my go-to iron. I've been using their irons for years and they work really, really well. So what I'm doing right now, you guys, is just curling her in sections. This part of the process is kind of hit or miss for those of you who are doing this at home. But what I always recommend is if you are wanting to curl short hair, take it in sections. Don't get overwhelmed. Don't try to do the head really, really quickly. And what I use is what we call a slide curl method. So I curl and slide at the same time, positioning the hair, and it also allows for me to take out that bluntness in the curl. I don't actually want an actual curl. I just want a soft bump to make the hair nice and smooth, but to also give the hair a little bit of style. So we are out of those realms of the tight Marcel curls, and the curls don't have to be tight, you guys. You really just want to use your iron to your advantage to help smooth out any wrinkles in the hair, to also help to just make that hair lay really, really nicely. And, you know, the styles now are more wild and outside and not more stationary and structured, if you want me to use that term. So just keep that in mind when you guys are curling your short hair. You know, no style will ever be the exact same. The characteristics will always be different in every style. There'll always be something different. So that's something that I like to tell people because you kind of overthink it when you're doing curling and that kind of thing. All right. So for the sides of her hair, if you guys notice, the hair is directed towards the front of her face. Typically, I like to direct towards the front of the face because it brings emphasis to the face, right? That's number one. Number two, it also can help slim the face. And while my client is not looking for any slimming, she doesn't have any slimming needs, but you still want your hairstyle to complement your face shape and your face frame. So keep that in mind as well when you are choosing the styles for you. Some styles can look so pretty on a picture, but it's just not made for your face shape. And you guys know the face comes in different shapes. So I like to always mention that it's no different from the characteristics of the hair. Everyone is going to have a different style or texture of hair. So you want to just manipulate that to work for you. Okay. All right. So I'm using the H2 Pro 1-inch black. I think it's the black diamond line. I'll also have a link for that iron in the description box down below where you can get this iron if need be. And all I'm doing is going through and smoothing out her roots because the top or the crown of her head, we relaxed it. It is definitely relaxed, but I left a little more density in the crown area. And we did more, I guess you can call it like a texlaxer or a texturizer, but she was already straight, you guys. So I didn't want the hair in the crown to be bone straight. And I always direct my short hair clients like this. When you get a short style, you will typically relax the sides and the back a lot more than you will relax your crown. This is also how I create that illusion of fullness on my clients who have fine textured hair. I too have fine textured hair. So volume or density in the crown is going to give the illusion that the hair is very, very, very full, that it's not really fine textured. I mean, if you know hair, you can tell if it's fine textured or not. But leaving that density or that volume in the crown and not relaxing it as often as you would the sides and the back proves to be actually one of the best things for any client who is growing out their hair, or if their top or crown area is a lot longer. It just works a lot better because it gives you more room to play and it gives you more texture in the crown as well. It's not absolutely required that you leave this much density in the crown. It is on a client by client basis. But if you are fine textured, density in the crown is actually going to be your best friend because it is going to give you that volume that you also want. And I always want volume in my crown because I'm fine textured. So typically, fine textured people want volume and density and fullness. Where people who have a lot of fullness and density, they want their hair to be slightly tamed. Or it's like we always want what we don't have. So yeah, just a little side note in regards to that. So I'm taking small sections and I'm just kind of going through and bumping her, but at the same time, I'm smoothing the hair. Normally for her style, we would do waves on the side and curls in the crown. Today we did it a little straighter, but I know she likes density and she likes fullness. That is typically the reason why we've been doing a lot of the curls and waves. So instead of taking her out of her comfort zone, I just improvised and made it more of a relaxed style, meaning not so curly, but still giving her that volume and building up on the foundation as I go. So if you guys notice, that hair is still standing. It still has a lot of volume to it, but it's just not curly. It's more straight. So just a quick pro tip, you guys. You don't want to spray too much product on the hair or apply too much product to the hair when it is in the curling phase, especially if you know you want to be able to manipulate the hair. If you guys notice, I'm minimal with the amount of product that I put on the hair, and Elite Hair Care products are made for just that. It's for minimal use. A little goes a long way, and not a ton of product is needed to achieve actually 90% of the styles that I do, because I like the hair to look and feel light and airy, but still be healthy at the same time. So if you guys notice, she has her relaxer, but her hair still looks extremely nice. It still has a lot of volume and a lot of density, okay? So what I did was apply a little bit of Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum on my fingers just to kind of finger style her hair. Don't be afraid of finger styling, you guys. This will it will leave a little more density in the hair or volume in the hair going forward. But at the same time, you still can use your comb if need be. I just like to start out finger styling, especially if I want to keep a lot of volume and I want that messy look. So as I said before, you guys, the products that I used today was the Hair Repair and Growth Shampoo and Conditioner, as well as our Elite Silk Wrap Foam. And then I used our Frizz Tamer and Shine Serum in regards to the style. Please, 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 you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, thumbs up this video and comment what you guys thought about the shine of her hair, the volume, the style. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.